Hello, everyone, and welcome to our another webinar, Upgrading Your Virtual Meeting with Zoom. I'm Navodita Shrivastava, and I'm thrilled to have you all here today. In this webinar is all about the audience who doesn't love a well organized and engaging event. Probably no one want that mess in their event. So you might not love the logistic of planning and managing events, but you can't deny that a successful event can create unforgettable experience and build strong community to engage with new peoples, to understand their uh, I guess their thought process, what exactly our audience want. So being an event supporter, I believe that while planning an event can be challenging, the rewards of seeking happy, engaged, attend, and lots of the things were there. And why, if you get to know that the managing and scaling your event can be turned into a seamless and profitable things with the right tool. Yes, you heard me right. In this webinar, we will explain you the each and everything in detail that what exactly Zoom platform will provide you with WP Event Manager. So in this webinar, Prajit Basu, she's our, as always, you know that she's our the top and great speaker who she will explain you the dynamic the features of Zoom platform, how this will work, and how you will get these features in your website. So now, this time, Prachitti Basu will explain you each and every factors and the insightful things what you can manage with it. So Prachitti Basu, stage all yours. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much, Navodita, for this wonderful introduction. So, hey guys, I'm back again with yet another webinar. And before starting today's webinar, I'm going to tell you that the topic this time that I have chosen is not chosen by me, but chosen by you all. We have posted a few days back about your suggestion on our topics, and we have received a few suggestions on our inbox. And in that suggestions, we have found that most of our audiences are interested to know about our Zoom plugin and how it works. So, based on your votes, guys, we have picked up this topic today. And today I am going to tell you each and everything about this plugin that we are providing and how it can be a game changer for your virtual events, virtual meetings, conferences, and any type of meetings that we do online. Okay, so let's get started. So, the name of our presentation is Upgrading Your Virtual Meetings with Zoom. Can we have the first slide, please, Navodita? Okay, so here I'm going to just brief you about the uh, areas of the Zoom plugin that we are going to cover today. And it will be starting with a brief introduction of virtual meetings. I have a few questions for you, and then I'll tell you a few surprising facts about the Zoom platform itself. It is not about the Zoom plugin that we are providing, but about the Zoom platform that we all know about. Okay. And why do you need a WordPress Zoom plugin? Advantages of using WordPress Zoom plugin. Introduction to WP Event Manager Zoom plugin. Okay, then we will get back to another question session that I have for you. I'll request you all to give answer and share your views on it. And then key features of the Zoom add-on, then benefits of the Zoom add-on, our demo, how to get the plugin, pricing, reviews, and we need another suggestion of yours. That's it. So let's move on to the first slide. Okay, so here we have come to the introduction part. So, as I have mentioned that I am going to talk about the Zoom plugin today, which is all about virtual meetings. So, virtual meetings and conferences have become an inseparable part of the corporate culture. See, right now we are living in a digitized era, okay, digitalization era, where we prefer everything to happen digitally, starting from our office meetings to meeting our relatives, personal meetings, on everything. So, for that purpose, we have become partially dependent on these virtual meets because it is not possible for us to meet a person, meet people in person. So, what we do is we just do it digitally. And when it comes to offices, when we have big teams who are scattered all over the world, who are scattered over the different parts of a city and different places, they all get connected with each other through these virtual platforms. So that is why it is essential for every business and individuals to stay updated about the latest video conferencing technology. In this presentation, we are going to discuss how the Zoom add-on of WP Event Manager can transform the way you conduct your virtual meetings, be it personal, be it professional, or anything. Next slide, please. Okay, so I'm going to start with the definition of virtual meetings. So, virtual meeting is a type of communication in which people from different physical locations connect with each other in a virtual room through their mobile phones or internet enabled devices. It could be your desktop, your tablet, or anything. Virtual meetings are conducted both for professional and personal use using different platforms. Okay, so it's like, why personal? Because I'm pretty sure that most of us are aware of these virtual meets to use them personally. Like, uh, we often conduct meetings to meet our relatives, our cousins, our friends, our families. So the concept of virtual meetings are not only limited to the four walls of your office or your professional life. It has also extended itself and came to our households and have become very much familiar to all of us professionally and personally. Next slide, please. Okay, so here I have a question for all my viewers. Though I'm going to talk about the Zoom plugin today, but I really want to know that which platform do you prefer? Like, there are, since virtual meetings are getting popular with each passing day, lots and lots of platforms are also getting introduced. So some of the most popular platforms, virtual event meeting platforms, I have mentioned over here. What you have to do is you need to tell me which platform do you prefer the most. So I have a few options for you. You can pick yours from these options. Number one is Zoom, then Slack, then Skype. We have Google Meet, WebEx, and Microsoft Meet. Next slide, please. You can post your answers in our comment section, and we'll be really thankful for you if you post your answers over here. So, Zoom facts. So, I'm going to reveal a few surprising facts about Zoom that you will be amazed to know. So let's see, what are the facts that we should know about the Zoom platform. This is the platform in general that we all are familiar with, okay? It's like Zoom maintains more than 2 million users in early 2024, including 315028 paying customers or subscriptions. Zoom sees most usage by adults aged between 24 to 34 at 29.71%. The next highest representation comes from ages 35 to 44 at 21.46%, reflecting both workplace adoption and broader lifestyle integration. So this is the data clearly shows us how popular the platform is. And if it is a popular platform, then it means that it is a very convenient platform for everyone, which is why people like to use this. Next slide, please. Okay. So we all know about the Zoom platform, right? We all must have used it, especially during the COVID period. In fact, that was the time when the platform was also used by school students, teachers, and people of different professions. But let me tell you, there is a difference between using the platform directly and using a WordPress plugin. You could use Zoom anytime you want, right? Then why do you need a WordPress Zoom plugin? Well, let me tell you, there are a few areas that you should be aware of. Zoom poses several challenges to users when it comes to manually integrating it to a WordPress site. Yes, you can use Zoom on your phone, on your website, but you cannot integrate it. Like, if you suppose if you are a company and if you are going to organize a Zoom meeting, and in order to own the Zoom meeting, you need to have this plugin. You need to have a Zoom integrated WordPress plugin for that. Why WordPress? Because if your website is based on WordPress, then it will be easier for you to get a plugin like this. Okay, so now I'm going to reveal the reasons why do you need a WordPress Zoom plugin. Why a plugin is always suggested, always recommended instead of Zoom, direct use of Zoom. Okay, so technical issues like manually inserting meeting details and difficulties in synchronizing Zoom schedules with their WordPress calendars. Okay, technical issues like manually inserting meeting details. Okay, right? Like if you are organizing a Zoom meeting without WordPress integration, then you probably have to do everything on your own, right? Starting from sharing the meeting details to creating the meeting, everything will be your responsibility, which is going to be time consuming as well as laborious. Next is toggling between platforms. You have to go to Zoom, then you have to come to your website, Zoom, and then you have to toggle between different platforms. Absence of streamlined integration. Of course, if it's a manual process, then it has to be laborious, it has to be tedious, it has to be long. Security concerns, as we all know that using Zoom can be that there was, it's not like it's unsafe, it's not unsafe, it's definitely safe, but if you use a plugin, you get security guaranteed with it. Okay, so that is why a Zoom plugin is always recommended over using Zoom platform only. Okay, next slide please. Okay. So as you know, I have already told you that why do you need a Zoom WordPress plugin? At this stage of the presentation, I'm going to tell you about the positive signs, about the advantages of using a Zoom plugin. Number one is seamless integration. The next one is better user experience. As a user of this plugin, you don't need to give any manual effect. Everything can be done automatically. Okay, so it definitely ensures a better user experience. The next one is better security. The data you're inserting will be 100% secured. Flexibility, centralized analytics and reporting. You'll get the report. The biggest advantage of Zoom is that Zoom plugin is that you get a secured meeting environment. It means if you use a good plugin, you will get the security assurance, and the meeting link that you are going to share on your website will be secured and will be restricted among the people who who you want to do the meeting with. Okay, so in these areas, the Zoom add-on ensures security. Next slide, please. Okay, so now I have come to the main part of our presentation, that is the introduction of the Zoom add-on. You know about Zoom facts, now you know about why do you need a plugin. You know almost everything about the background of this plugin. So I'm going to now introduce you to this plugin that is going to help you a lot in organizing your virtual meets, conferences, etc. Okay. So, the Zoom add on from WP Event Manager is the ultimate solution for all types of virtual meetings on your WordPress. Whether you organize regular classes or business conferences, the plugin can simply be a game changer for you. Next slide, please. Okay, I have come to another question now. I'm going to ask you, which is pick any one of the following features that you think is an absolute necessity for a virtual platform. It means that I want you to let me know about the thing from the following options which you think is the most important point for the virtual platform that you use. One is screen sharing, number two is video conferencing, number three is security, and number four is the recording facility. Screen sharing, as we all know, it is one of the very important feature of a virtual environment, especially if you are using it professionally. Then we often need to show our screen to our team members, to the meeting attendees, to show what we are going to explain or to better explain them our topic. Next is video conferencing. Video conferencing, as we all know what video conferencing is, it is also something that becomes an essential part of the corporate life. Third is security, and the fourth one is recording. Recording means, suppose you are doing a Zoom meeting, you'll be able to record it. So I'm waiting for your answers. You can post your answers in the comment section. Are your plugins compatible with yes, yes, Mr. Ghansham Dadat. All our plugins are compatible with the latest version of WordPress. Why do we give this assurance? Is that we have a very experienced and qualified team of developers who constantly work on our plugins to ensure that there is no bugs, and it perfect they perfect the plugins perfectly work well with the WordPress latest version. So please don't worry about the compatibility. Our plugin will always be compatible with the latest version of WordPress. Can I have the next slide, please? Okay. So here I'm going to brief you about the key features of the Zoom plugin. So what the Zoom plugin from WP Event Manager offers you is it is conveniently manage the virtual event. The entire management of the virtual environment will be on the host's hand. He will be able to create a meeting. He'll be able to give access to the meeting to a specific number of people, to a specific person or people. Live streaming facility, you can live stream your Zoom meetings if you want. WooCommerce integration to sell your Zoom meetings. This is a very important feature that we are providing over here. Is suppose you are organizing, or you are a yoga teacher or a school teacher who gives tuitions, who give classes on different subjects. So what you can do is you can sell these meetings, and sell these meetings and show the videos or the meetings to only the people who have paid for your Zoom meeting. Okay, so this facility is also there. So your link will be restricted to only the people who have paid for your meeting. Next is okay. Here, when it comes to payment, we always rely on WooCommerce, and gives the security assurance to all our customers. Connect your Zoom account with API keys. Using the Zoom plugin of WP Event Manager is very easy, as all you have to do is connecting your Zoom account with the API keys that we are going to provide you. To know the entire process, you have to visit our knowledge base section, where you'll get all the details of how you can get the API keys, how you can start using the plugin, and different steps of it. Next is complete host control. As I have already mentioned that the entire control of the Zoom environment will be in the hands of the host. Joining through browser link and restricted joining link visibility. Okay, so here joining through browser link means your audiences will be able to join the Zoom link uh, through their preferred browser. I mean, and from your website directly. Okay, the link will be visible on your website, but it will be, if it is a restricted URL, I mean, if it is a restricted link, then the Zoom plugin ensures that the link will be visible to only the registered people. Okay. Okay, so next slide, please. Benefits of using the Zoom add-on. As I have already told you about its key features, now I am going to tell you why you should choose the Zoom add-on from WP Event Manager. Complete host control, security assurance, facility to conduct a virtual meeting or conference directly from your website, quality support. Okay, here I would like to emphasize on the support point, because we do offer a great support for each and every plugin that we are offering to our customers. Whenever you have a problem, whenever you are stuck somewhere while using our plugin, you can take help from the support team. They are always ready to help you. We do not ensure you an instant answer, but we do ensure you a quick answer for all your queries. For to raise a query, to share your queries with us, you have multiple platforms for that. You can raise a support ticket. We have a Slack channel, we have a Facebook community, we are on Instagram, we are everywhere, and we are there to help you in every way that is possible for us. So you can try us. Next is flexible. Okay. Yes, Mr. Ghansham Dadat, I'm going to discuss in detail about the pricing structure of the Zoom add-on. Actually, our pricing is based on the number of sites you purchase our plugins for. That I'm going to reveal in our upcoming slides. So please stay tuned with us till then. Okay, so flexible pricing. I was about to come to this point that one thing I can tell you at this stage is that our plugins are available in bundles and for individual purchase. It means you can buy the single plugin or it in a bundle. Okay. Host of features, like the features that I have mentioned are just a few features that I have picked from the long list of features that you are going to get if you purchase the plugin. It is highly professional. As you can see, the entire process is automated. You can sell your plugin, you can sell your meeting, you can share the links with specific people. You can do everything directly from your own WordPress website. So these are the reasons why we recommend WP Event Manager's Zoom add-on and why it is the best choice for your virtual meetings. Next slide, please. Okay, so like if you like the plugin, if you like what I have said, but you don't want to believe in my words, you have an option to test our plugins before purchasing. Okay, so we give this opportunity to our users so that they can try and test our plugins before investing on them, because we do not want our customers to be dissatisfied with our service products and services, so we want them to try it. You can check our demo site where where you'll be given the admin access and a dummy site where you can use the plugin, use all your preferred plugins, all the plugins that you want to purchase from us, to see if it is a suitable option for your business or not. To get the demo, what you have to do is you have to visit our official website and click on the demo option that is situated at the top right corner of our website. Then you have to enter your email ID, and in that email ID, we are going to provide all the details of our admin site along with its password. Next slide, please. Take a look at the reviews that we have received so far in popular review platforms like Glassdoor, Software Advice, WordPress, Casa Reviews, etc. We have more though. Next slide, please. Okay, how to get our premium plugin. So once you decide, for example, like after using the demo site, if you're satisfied with the service, if you're satisfied with the features, with the functionalities that we are providing with the Zoom add-on, you can always put a step forward and purchase our plugin. So how to purchase our plugin? Okay, let me tell you this first. To use any of our premium plugins, what you need is you need our core plugin, that is WordPress WP Event Manager, and it is absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything extra for this. Then you have to visit the sales page of the plugin, and there you'll get all the pricing details and choose the one that you want to purchase and click on the buy now options. Then install the plugin and you are ready to work with it. Next slide, please. Okay, so as we have come to the end of our webinar today, I'm going to ask you about your suggestion on our upcoming webinar topic. If you want me to cover a specific topic on WP Event Manager or its plugin, or any specific area that you are facing problem with or you want to know about, you can mail us, you can send your message on LinkedIn, you can share your suggestions. You now also you can share your suggestion in the comment section so that I can frame up my topic based on your suggestion for my upcoming webinar. We will be waiting for your suggestion. We'll be extremely happy if you suggest a topic for us. Can I record my meeting? Yes, Kansham Dadat, uh, Mr. Kansham Dadat, we can definitely record our Zoom meetings. We have that option as well. I have already mentioned that. But if you want to know more about our Zoom plugin, you need to visit our sales page. Okay, so here I have come to the end of the presentation. I hope you enjoyed the session. I hope the session was informative and helped you understand the plugin. And if you want to know more about it, write to us and let us know what do you want to know. Thank you so much. So here I'm going to sign off. Bye. Thank you for your time and patience.
Thank you so much, Pratishtha Basu, for this lovely session. And hello, viewers, once again, I'm back. So now here the exciting part. At the token of the appreciation for your participation, all webinar registrants will receive an exclusive flat 20% discount on all our products. So thank you all for joining us today and for your active participation. And I hope you found this session valuable and excited to implement WP Event Manager's Zoom plugin in your event business. So if you have any further question or would like to discuss how we can help you to achieve your goal, please feel free to contact me at partner@wpeventmanager.com, or we can connect on LinkedIn or anything in our company page, or whatever you want to connect with us. We'll definitely do a meeting to collaborate, to like explain you about more for our features and upcoming products and plugin theme, anything. So thank you so much for your presence and have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.